Had rain around the area through a good chunk of the day. Came through Lexington during the morning hours. Seen a couple little sprinkles wander by since then, but also in the interim, the sun has come out and it's turned into another hot afternoon for us. That's your Kentucky One Health weather bug camera from St. Joseph Hospital. Looking at downtown Lexington on a partly sunny latter part of the afternoon. Okay, so let's talk about what's going on. MaxTrack Live Doppler here. Not a whole lot. We've got some showers west of I-65. We've got a couple little tiny ones. In fact, these are dying out. One north of Connersville. That's maybe going to clip part of Cynthiana. Northern part of Cynthiana going up then toward Highway 27. You'll see a little light rain from that, but again, that's weakening. Also just around Keavy there, moving toward I-75 there in Laurel County. A couple little sprinkles in Knox County as well. All the rain makes for a foggy night. We'll talk about those possibilities. Keeneland, it's going to feel summery for the first weekend. There's a shower possible both Friday and Saturday afternoon, but both days, chances are small. It's a summertime weather pattern. Pop-up thunderstorms, so they're hit and miss. For the weekend, just plan like it's August and you'll be fine. All right, the visibility problems for tonight. This is coming off our future track. Will start you at 1 in the morning. Anytime these numbers are less than 1, so when we're in the tenths of a mile there, you're having fog to contend with. And as we go into the middle of the night, you'll see those numbers many places are less than a mile. So it's not overly thick fog, at least on these numbers, but enough that you will certainly need to slow down when we get down around Somerset. Could be a little bit worse for you, and then that will begin to lift on out as we head toward the afternoon hours tomorrow. By the way, we're a never-ending summer, in case you were wondering. We're just kind of going through the stats today. Now, this is assuming our 8-day holds true, because right now all of our 8-day forecast temperatures are 80 or above. Consecutive 80-degree days in October. The record goes back to 1963 at a dozen. If our forecast holds, we're going to threaten that number. You can see the last time we did anything close to that was back in 2007. So been about 10 years. So why are we thinking it's going to stay hot? You're looking at the upper level weather pattern and then the surface temperatures as a result. Wednesday, looking at temperatures in the mid-80s. This is just a gigantic ridge in the atmosphere here. It's a summertime Bermuda type high is what we're looking at. On Thursday, there are your 80s showing up for you once again. There are even some 90s not all that far away. The ridge then centers over the Carolinas Friday and into the weekend. That just continues the heat. Meanwhile, there's a whole lot of cold sitting up there. It's just not coming this way, so the heat is ours to keep for a while. You're talking temperatures where the clouds have been and holding middle upper 70s where the sun has emerged. We have gotten into the 80s, including the 80 in Lexington after 4/10 of an inch of rain again today. So that's the remnants of Rosa hitting the desert southwest with a lot of rain. These are vicious thunderstorms going across Pennsylvania and New York. Tornado watches and warnings up for those folks. For us, they were just garden variety showers that came through, but the cold front has gone about as far as it's going to go. It starts going back the other way tomorrow, and as that happens, say hello to a little bit more in the way of heat and, yes, humidity. So for tonight, partly cloudy, warm and humid, patchy fog. Mid-60s. Your day tomorrow may begin with an overcast and fog. Turns partly to mostly sunny. Little itty-bitty shower chance. We're in the mid-80s. Better chance for rain comes in on Thursday. Small rain chance Friday and Saturday. But look at those highs staying in the 80s.
This is very doable for this time of year.
I think most folks are pretty happy right now.
Thinking work it. Yeah,
I think so.
Yeah.
I think
All right.
Thank you, Bill.
All right.